Hey, let's go over how to draw Spider-Man 2099. It's going to be simple, easy for beginners, and it's going to be step by step. So let's get started. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to curve right here for the top of the head. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to actually continue down there for the front of the, kind of the front of the head. He's going to be facing this way a little bit. Go over here on this side. Curve down, angle here at the jaw, and underneath the chin there. All right, doing good so far? Sweet. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna, remember, he's got like no eyes. So it's kind of funny, so up, curve, down, up. So he's got like kind of an eye area, but he doesn't really have eyes. Over here, same thing. Excuse me, I yawned. Forgive me. Up, it's kind of late at night over here. Out, down, up here. So kind of that shape initially. Gonna pull back, up. Curve over here, down, over here in this area, down, up, and then it's going to pull down in a spike. It's very spider-like. That's kind of the whole, like, obviously, you know. But I'm going to guess when they designed this, they were thinking of like spider legs, like crawling around. That's kind of the vibe I get personally from it. I believe it came out the post credits of Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse, I think. Out right there. Gonna go over here. Line right there. Out, down. Over here. Out. Pull in. Up a little bit more. Out. Out. In, line, line. Over here in this area, out, up, in. Essentially, we're doing a mirror shape, right? But he's slightly facing this way, which is the reason why we're doing this, right? Like so, he's slightly turning to the right. Down, so you're not going to see the entire design on that side. If you're a big Spider-Man, by the way, fan, by the way, hit that like button. Or if you like the tutorial so far, absolutely hit that like button. Helps the algorithm, helps me know what to post in the next video. If what I do here is worth your time, please consider doing that. Curve over here around the corner, and you're not going to see this stuff over there. See, that's very spider leg-like. So very easy. The next thing we're going to do, and you can do this in pencil or pen or anything you like, but I'm going to fill in some area here of black. And I'm going to do that with a marker. And it's going to be kind of tough with this marker I have, but I am going to do it because, you know what? That's the way it goes. I'm going to go over here, curve along the front. And every single design I've seen of him, they always add this dark. His outfit is dark blue. Up. Down. So that's just shadow right there. There's going to be shadow right here, over here on this side, up, down, down over here, up, zigzag over here for the cheekbone area, and it's going to pull up. This is going to be shadow, and you'll see what I mean. You can do something like this. If you don't know what that is, it's when you ink comic books, they put an X for anything that's going to be black. So this shape right here is going to be black, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to fill it in. And it is going to take a little bit. It might actually destroy my marker, but you know what? I'm going to do it because I think it's worth it, and honestly, it kind of has to be done. This is the part that I think is way easier in pencil, if you have it. Alrighty. Cool, cool, cool. Keep going over here. I'm just gonna fill it in. Let me talk to you a little bit about Spider-Man. Spider-Man's amazing. I was a pretty big fan of the old movie in the, was it like 2000 now, right? That movie, and I was like, whoa, I can't believe that they're actually coming out with a Spider-Man. That's ridiculous. And I've been kind of a fan of those. I never thought in a million years it would become this giant kind of phenomenon, right? I guess since Marvel came up, everybody wanted Spider-Man back with Marvel as opposed to Sony, and I know they're like kind of sharing it, right, or something like that. So that's really fascinating. As far as drawing Spider-Man and anything Spider-Man related, it's kind of always been a passion for me to draw superheroes. And it's weird that I don't have to actually draw that many on this YouTube channel. But like I said, if you ever want me to draw more, let me know. I will absolutely do that. If you're hearing my voice right now, you know, and you want me to draw more superhero stuff, you want me to go over more tutorials on that, I will totally do it. Just you have to say it though. Because otherwise I can't read you guys' minds. You have to say it, and then I'll be like, oh, okay, that's what you want. I'll do it. I do a lot of things on request. I would say almost the whole channel is on request lately. So, yeah, like I said, let me know. Oh man, this is taking a while. Forgive me, guys. I'm not going to speed it up, though, because I feel like it wouldn't really help. Well, I guess it would help, but we're almost done. Who's your favorite Spider-Man character? Do you guys have one? Mine is Venom. Mine's always been Venom. I know his co-creator, I think, was Todd McFarlane, I think he was co-creator. And I love Spawn, so Spawn is a very similar character to Venom. Alright, we're almost there, okay? We're almost there. We can touch the finish line. There we go. Man, that took a while. Whew. And I'm going to put some more over here as well, because a lot of that, what they do with a comic, is to put a lot of shadow on him in order to kind of make the red of that spider outfit to pop out, and the blue and stuff like that. I noticed that. It's a lot of dark in the face. A lot of dark in the face. Always. Like pretty much every incarnation. One last thing we're going to do is we're going to make a thick line around the head over here, and that's going to be just to kind of contain the shape. And it looks a lot better anyway, I think. All right, thank you so much. You're amazing. I want you to smash that like button. What I want you to do is to either you can help the channel out in two ways. If you did like it and you do appreciate the stuff I do on the channel, and I do for everybody, you can do one of two things. One, you can donate to the PayPal. It's in the description. Anything helps, even if it's like $1, anything. I use it all on markers. 100% of it goes back into the channel. Or two, you can share the video. It takes less than 2 seconds to just share it somewhere on Twitter or anything like that. And it makes a huge, huge impact. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Talk to you soon, okay? See you later, artists.
All right, and if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here, on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and it I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now, another short video.